Drunk driving is a serious offense, yet the rates for DUI and DWIs are steadily increasing little by little, rather than decreasing. If you are convicted of drunk driving, a number of things will happen, but perhaps the most severe, besides death and manslaughter, is the long-term negative effects on your car insurance rate. You probably have figured out that drunk driving is definitely not worth it, but here's what you will face in terms of car insurance penalties. Read on with an open mind and silent vow to never drink and get behind the wheel. Always have a designated driver on your nights out involving alcohol. If you are convicted of a DUI or DWI offense, be prepared to have your automobile insurance rates increase drastically. There is no other way out. For at least 3 years you will be punished and will be paying a much higher rate. In fact, you will no longer be on a regular insurance plan, but be put on a probationary insurance policy specifically for people with a past drunken driving offense such as DUI or a DWI. You will become more familiarized with something called a SR22 car insurance policy. Chances are, your rates will increase before you are even allowed to resume regular driving routines again. This SR22 form varies by state in terms of the magnitude and duration of penalty. For example, your driver's privileges may be postponed or even revoked for a varied amount of time. The level of intoxication upon your arrest will also determine other more severe penalties. Your revoked license may be in effect for a minimum of 30 days to even 1 full year, even if it is your first-time offense. The SR22 form proves to a judge that you actually have official motor vehicle liability insurance, and in many states, if you want to redeem your driving privileges again, you will have to show proof of the SR22 form. Your insurance company is required to notify if you cancel your policy. Another hefty penalty is the amount you pay for your premiums, which could triple. Depending on your status as a high-risk driver, your premiums will increase accordingly, which is determined by your insurance provider upon acceptance of your SR22 form. You will also have a cancellation on your claims history, causing your rates to go up inevitably. The duration of this increased rate policy vary from state to state, and also depending on the drunk driving conviction you receive. Be prepared to get slammed with at least 3 years of costly rates, even for the first offense. After the first time, the length of time will be much longer because it reflects on your irresponsible and untrustworthy driving pattern. If your reckless driving has hurt someone, this length of time will be doubled, tripled, or carry on indefinitely. So, the bottom line is, how can you avoid an increase in car insurance rates after a drunk driving incident? These rate increases will only come into effect if you want your driving privileges back. Avoiding these costs will force you to take public transportation or find alternative methods of getting around. The best policy to avoid insurance premium increases is to simply don't get behind the wheel intoxicated. Share this video and subscribe us for more auto insurance videos.